Hi everyone, welcome to GRC Stock Market Analysis. What can save you? Who can help you? Basically, your investments only. There is a huge potential, and we can easily grow our money 814% over a period of 15 years. Let us see the interesting stock today. ASE Technology fell down very badly a couple of days back. Is it time to sell now? Oh, interesting. Every time we talk about buying a stock, this time we are talking about selling a stock. Let us see what is in it. You can go through the website. It's basically a Taiwan company listed in US, one of the big company. It's a large cap. You can check more details in their website. Okay, they are into semiconductors. When I analyze their fundamentals, their sales are showing a good improvement. Year on year, they are able to grow the sales and profits. It's basically it's growing, but because of certain expenses, it is almost slightly flat compared to last year, and that's the reason I think the market has punished. And when I see their EPS and other key ratios, they are in a healthy position, basically. One of the very interesting thing is this company is consistent dividend player, and they offer almost around 7% per year as a dividend. Sometimes if you take parking your money in bank, some fixed deposits, it is much better actually. You are getting a dividend of 7% just to park the money. You consider there is no appreciation in the stock, but still you make the decent money from this investment. Okay, let's see what technical says. Wow, there is a huge gap. Yes, if you take, there is a sudden fall. I think the dividend, they issued the dividend, and proportionately the price would have adjusted for the dividend. Okay. Here I used indicator called CMF, Chicken Money Flow indicator. The money flow is positive in this counter, and if I take 1 year trend, the trend line shows excellent upward move. It had a good support in, during May, and July again. July first week, I think it touched again that support line and bouncing very well. And if you consider the long-term prospects of this company, it's in semiconductor business. I think they do the assembly part in major, and it's a Taiwan company. I already mentioned, and they are doing good, no doubt about it. Maybe the political situation, the rift between the China, may be creating some jittery time to time, but it's not a big worry for this company, actually speaking. Let's see what is the potential of this company. The short term, wow, its value is very low. Many people prefer low value stock for some reason. But actually speaking, it's not a matter, but somebody has a very small account, they may like this particular low value stock. But actually, it's relative, and the stock value is always relative to the value of the company. There are so many calculations are there. Probably if you go deep into that, you will understand things very easily. And there is a good potential, more than 10%, 12% in a short term. In about 3 months, you can get it. Stop loss is mandatory. And for long term means more than a year, 1 or 2 years, you can consider around 23% easily possible in this counter. And you can watch my other videos. Already they achieved the short term targets. Okay. GRC exclusive, I do offer coaching and smart, short-term and long-term investments ideas and how to make it happen for you. And especially if you are losing in stock market, it is better to get a coach and improve your performance. Whether you have a coach or you don't have a coach, the question is, if you have a coach, always your performance will improve, no doubt about it. In any field, you take any game, and the football game, without coach, you cannot be the best player. Even you become a best player, then also you need a coach to retain that performance. Okay, you need somebody to see you, and time to time he has to instruct you what are the mistakes happening or what are the opportunities coming out, like that. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Signing off, Vaidyanathan. Thank you.